2025 Dodge Charger six-pack gas muscle car is reportedly getting fast-tracked. Remember the Dodge Charger Daytona electric muscle car with the weird pseudo-exhaust sound debuted? And it made car Reddit explode in a mushroom cloud of fist-shaking and conspiracy theories about the government coming for your pistons? A new report suggests that Dodge may have listened to some of that internet fervor and is now emphasizing future gas models of the muscle car instead. Mopar Insiders is reporting that, according to its sources, Dodge is fast-tracking the ICE six-pack version of the Charger Daytona. According to the source, Dodge will begin production on the Charger Daytona six-pack 5 months ahead of its original schedule, targeting an early summer 2025 release instead of the original late 2025 release window. The source indicates that the change in plans is due to consumer demand. The electric Dodge Charger Daytona will likely still hit the market before the ICE version, but closing the gap will better position Dodge to address the wants of both EV and ICE fans. It would seem that the only group still left out in the cold were those wishfully hoping for a V8, which is likely not going to happen. However, if Dodge changed course on that as well, we wouldn't be shocked. Either way, it's fair to say the reception to an electric muscle car was mixed, to put it lightly. Assuming the report is accurate, we wouldn't call it a course correction, but it's certainly a meaningful adjustment to the rollout of Dodge's new wave of performance cars. The question is, how much of a difference will this make when it comes to the Charger Daytona's sales? We'll keep our ears to the ground as this story develops, so stay tuned for updates. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up, and share. See you next.